Hi scholars, welcome to ELA video lesson 2. This one should be shorter than the other one because we only have 3 things to go over. Number 1, we're going to go over what expository text is. Number 2, we're going to go over some vocabulary strategies with multiple meaning words. And number 3, we're going to go over the main topic and key detail. So, we're going to be going off the story called Eagles and Eaglets. This is a story we're going to read on Monday and Tuesday. So if you don't remember the story, that's okay because we haven't gone over it yet in class. If you're looking at this video early, which I know some of you do, which is okay. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to share my screen and we're going to talk about expository text. All right. So an expository text gives important facts about a topic. Eagles and Eaglets is an expository text. And it can include certain text features, such as photos, captions, headings, and diagrams with labels. However, a text may still be expository even without those features. So I'm going to read the page 153 of Eagles and Eaglets, and we're going to talk about why it's an expository text. Unlike mammals, birds have feathers, not fur. An eaglet is born covered with soft gray down. Down is a type of fur. It cannot fly until it grows dark feathers like its parents. The eaglet stays near the nest until its wings grow strong. That takes about 5 months. Now let's look at what it says about bald eagle. Powerful eyes, dark feathers on body and wings, hooked yellow beak, white tail feathers, and long claws. Now, there is a diagram here which shows it's an expository text. This is a diagram. It shows us the picture of the eagle and it gives its body parts. And then there's labels for this diagram too. The powerful eyes is a label and it points to his eyes. So we're going to go more about expository text when we get into class. That's just an introduction. So remember, expository text gives you facts about a topic. So we're learning about eagles, which means it's in the real world. All right, perfect. So that's the first part. Okay, now our second part is we're going to talk about multiple meaning words. So some words have more than one meaning. For example, rattled can mean short, sharp sounds. But rattled can also mean you made someone upset. To find out the meaning of a multiple meaning word, you have to look for context clues in nearby sentences. So we're going to go to page 151. Okay, I'm still not on 151. Hold on, let me get to 151 really quick. All right, so it won't let me go to 151, so we're going to read the page on 150. The mother eagle lays from 1 to 3 eggs. She sits on her eggs until they hatch. Then both parents watch over the nest. There's a couple meanings to watch. The first meaning of watch is like the watch I have on my hand, right? Like this is a watch. This is one meaning of the word watch. Another meaning of the word watch is to look at something. So let's use context clues to see which meaning of watch we're looking at. So, okay, yeah, it'll let me type good. All right, so the first type of watch is something that tells time. Oh, well, whenever he comes up, I like to say hi to him. So let's go ahead and everybody can say hi to Mr. Sleepy for a second. All right, hello. He decided to jump up and say hi to everybody. All right, Mr. Sleepy, we got to continue with our class. If you have anything else you want to add, just let me know. So watch is something that tells time. But another meaning of watch is to look at something. Now, these aren't the exact definitions, but in general, they're good. They're good to show. So let's use context clues to figure out what watch means. So the mother eagle lays from 1 to 3 eggs, and she sits on her eggs until they hatch. Then both parents watch over the nest. So one context clue is that watch in this case is a verb. The eagles are doing something. Now, is looking at something a verb, or is this thing on my wrist a verb? Well, watching something would be a verb because verb is something you do. So that clue tells me that watch will be the second definition. It'll be the definition of looking at something. Okay, sorry, Mr. Sleepy, you gotta move a little bit. Gotta use my mouse. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and look at the next one now. Fly. Bald eagles use their sharp eyes to hunt. They use their strong wings to fly fast. They also use their claws to break and beak to catch fish. So there's a couple meanings of the word fly. The first meaning is to, actually, you know what's interesting? Fly is definitely a word that you know what it is, but the definition kind of escapes me, like how to exactly say it. So, fly is to move through the air using wings. But there's also another fly that we can use, which is to move quickly. The reason to move quickly, because that's like that's like an English thing. It's like I'm flying down the freeway to get to class. It just means that you're going quickly. There's also another definition of fly, which is the opening on pants where the zipper is. That is a noun, though. This one is a noun. To move quickly, that's a verb. To move through the air using wings, that is a verb. And then an interesting one that I just found out about is it's also the space over a stage in a theater. So there's 4 definitions of fly I found, and I think there's probably even a lot more. So we have 4 to choose from. Oh, and this is also a noun. Now, let's go ahead and look at our context clue. Bald eagles use their sharp eyes to hunt. They use their strong wings to fly fast. So my context clue is strong wings. My context clue is strong wings. So in your accountability notebook or your Seesaw notebook, whichever one you want to use is fine, go ahead and tell me which definition of fly you think it is. I gave you the context clue of strong wings, and it's also being used as a verb. So the eagle is flying. All right, go ahead and pause the video. And after you're finished with that, go ahead and unpause the video and we'll go to the last part of our lesson. Okay, we're gonna start back up now. Now we're gonna talk about main topic and key details. So the main topic is what the text is mostly about, and the key details are the important facts and information you tell about the main topic. So in order for you to find the main topic, ask yourselves what the text is about. And you can find key details by looking for important information about the key topic. So I'm going to read page 151 and 152. And then we'll discuss. Bald eagles are birds. The baby birds or offspring are called eaglets. Let's read about how eaglets are like their parents. It's nesting time. All birds lay eggs. Bald eagles build their nests in the tops of trees so the eggs will be safe. Their nests are built of sticks and grass. So what do you think the main topic of this story is about? This expository text. I think it's about eagles. Yep, and eaglets. And then we can find some details in here too. For example, bald eagles build their nests on top of trees so the eggs will be safe. That is a detail that we can write about. The eaglet is born and covered with soft gray down. And it cannot fly until it grows dark feathers like its parents. And the eagles stay near the nest until its wings grow strong. That takes about 5 months. So eaglets are born with down. And they stay in the nest until they can fly. So as long as it's about an eagle, you're fine. You can write any details. These details are just going to help you figure out more about eagles. All right, scholars, that's going to be our last thing for this day. I told you today was going to be a little shorter. Mondays was a little longer. I apologize for that. I always want to keep them around 22 to 23 minutes, but that one was about 26. All right, so I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in class on Monday or Tuesday. Bye.